Hey everybody, welcome back to Universe Jarvis for another video. So this is going to be a fairly quick one. We've got a couple of items in this bag, things that I happened to cross, if you will. And if you've been watching my videos, you guys know what's up. So let's start with something that I got last weekend that I hadn't had a chance to really do anything with. Although the verdict's still kind of out on me for this one. It's like I like it, but then I don't know. So went to Atlanta last weekend. Went in a TJ Maxx, as you guys can see, $12.99. Got this nice little Herschel, and I guess this retails for $25 according to that. So I guess it's a crossbody. You could wear it as a bum bag. I won't say fanny pack because that word was ruined for me. But I mean, I would probably do it, you know, like this going across. But it's big, it's colorful. I love tie-dye, so that's really why I picked it up. And the price was great. So it's not really much to it. It does have, it's really just one compartment, so that's just all open. There's not any other little zipper compartments or anything in it. So I kind of thought, you know, it might be something good to kind of wear as a crossbody, and it has a good bit of space in it. So for someone like me, that would work. But like this would literally drive me crazy because I'd be trying to figure out how to like put it on so that the word doesn't look weird. So I guess I'd have to wear it like this versus that, because then, well, I mean, I guess you do either or. So that's this one. Like I said, verdict's still out on it. I like the colors. It's really colorful. And maybe I'll actually try to carry it next weekend since it does have a good bit of space in it. I just feel like it'll be a little awkward if I have it on, trying to open it without everything falling out, especially if I'm wearing it as a crossbody across the front. So that's that one. And I got this one on, I think, Thursday. So if you've been watching any of my videos, and I think I've done a couple videos for these, well, actually no. I take that back. I'll have to do a video with all the ones that I've gotten. So I really like these little Vans. I think they're called, I don't know, just call it a little mini backpack, but they're great. So when you look at them, you're kind of like, what am I going to do with this? Now this is a SpongeBob one, as you guys can tell. It's got Patrick on it. I think Patrick made the show. He's probably the best character on there. But they hold a lot of stuff. So for someone like me, it's small small for me to carry, but I can still cram a bunch of crap in there. Although it's a pain in the ass to look for it. And then it's just got a little front pocket. So they're really simple bags. But this is a little SpongeBob thing. They actually have this SpongeBob Vans thing going on, I think, for the summer. So they even have some shoes. But I really like that because it was Patrick and it was the last one they had. So had to cop that for sure. And this, you guys can see, came from Journeys. I've been looking at this back and forth for a while, and I just finally decided to go ahead and bite the bullet on it. You guys know I like Herschel. I'm a Herschel fan. So this is actually, I'm trying to think of what it's called. See, they don't, when you order from their website, they'll actually put another tag on it to tell you the name of it. But this is, I guess, just a classic mini little backpack, and it's tie-dye. So I was kind of going back and forth because they had a Vans one that was like $25 and it was bigger, but then I told myself if I get that bigger one, then I'm gonna stuff it full of shit, even more so than I already do. So I like this Herschel one. It's got the nice bold bright tie-dye colors. It's really simple. I mean, it's just a backpack, just on a smaller scale, and it was $40, which I think is what it is on the website, or really close. So it's got the classic Herschel stripes on the inside. And then you got your little front pocket right here. I can get it open with a little Herschel's patch. So I think nothing too super fancy. It's really simple. I just liked it because it's really colorful. And for whatever reason right now, I am really into stuff this size. Although this is slightly bigger than this one, it's still small enough that I could just take it, you know, throw it across my shoulder, kind of have it hang on the side and keep it moving. And excuse me, really adjustable. So really happy about that. So I'm glad I did it. And these are actually kind of close in color pattern. I think they did a whole thing. It may have been last year. They have a summer tie-dye out right now, and I just actually got a wallet, which I'll probably should be looking at that now. But I'll get another video up here and kind of go through that stuff. I actually probably should go through all the like wallets and stuff and show you guys everything again. Some of them I haven't even featured, but that's that one. And then the other thing in here, and I got a nice surprise. So this bag, this big old paper bag, actually came from PacSun. I was in there, just kind of walked in there, it looked really barren, almost like they're closing, so I'm not really sure what's going on, but they didn't have a lot of stuff at all, which is kind of odd, so they might possibly be looking at closing some locations. I don't know, but that's my speculation. So these were $32.99, and they're clearance, so they have clearance buy one get one. Sometimes they do buy two get one or something, or buy one get two when they're just trying to get that stuff off the shelves. Anybody that's shopping in PacSun, they're a little expensive. They're kind of one of those boutique stores, but you can kind of find some cool stuff, and they're usually going to be for the hipper kids or whatever's in style. So these are some swim trunks, and the brand is, I guess, I thought it said Ambrosia, so it's Ambsn, and then I don't know. Anybody knows what this is, tell me. This is my first time seeing the brand. And it's got a little patch down there. So these are some swim trunks, and they had the cool pineapple to kind of do a nice little ombre situation, light at the top, get darker at the bottom. But this was the pair that I saw first, the rainbows. That's kind of what drew me to them. So these were in a medium. They actually had one pair each in my size, so I had to hop on them. And this got the little patch on there too. Now these don't have liners, which I thought was a little odd, but you could probably even wear these around the shorts, like if you're at the beach or something like that. But you got the back pocket, which I love a back pocket, even on a swim trunk. I think it's important to have a back pocket, because you might want to stick something back there. And cool print. But that's all I got. Like I said, this was a quick one. So that's it. Don't forget to subscribe below. Tell your friends about this channel. Comment. And there are going to be some new things coming. I'm not going to spoil any surprises, but hopefully there's going to be a little bit of revamping going on. But until next time, Universe Jarvis out.